Hi, my name is Eddie Moore, and I'm going to show you a brief overview of the class that I teach on the Application Builder Basics. Application Builder is a client tool off of Siemens Xpressions, and it is mostly used for auto attendant functions, and I'm going to show you a simple way to create these menus, and I conduct the basic class that is in a 4-hour session. So I'm going to get right into it and show you a few of the application builder building tools. And first of all, you bring up the client and give it a name as your workspace that you're working from. In this case, everything I'm using is going to be just for testing. I'm going to click through a few of these. I'm going to create an application umbrella, and I'll call it Test Application 1. And I'm going to create my first call flow, and I'm using creative names here. Test call flow 1. And the way an application is put together, it's a basic graphical user interface that looks pretty much like PowerPoint. So I'm going to bring in some controls, and this will be my starting point. I'll bring in a menu, which is a control called DTMF menu. I'm going to bring in a prompt control and a connection control. And these are going to be used in a basic menu structure. I will change my mouse from a selection pointer to a connection pointer, and now you'll see the mouse takes on a plug of basically a 1950s icon of a toaster outlet plug, and you can direct your start of application to where you want to start. That is, which control you want to hit first based on a called number. And I'm going to say send it to my menu. My menu is going to use a key 1, and DTMF1 is going to be my selection to be some information, and DTMF2 is going to be a connection point back to the PBX. So within this can be as simple as you can have a particular call number, and I'm bringing this sticky note as a reminder. Call number, say 2000, and of course, well, I have to spell number correctly. Doesn't matter. This is a post-it note. This is just for your information, and when you do a screen print and you want to show somebody the result of this graphical user interface, it's nice to have. So we could have a call number, and of course this would have to be set up in your PBX to point to the expressions server as an entry point, and I can go over all the details of that in the basic class. 2000 would be your starting point going to your menu. Your menu would have an announcement file to say press 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or whatever your options are. I'm going to leave it as simple right now. Option 1 can be something like directions to the office. Option 2 can ring to an operator or a hunt group or a call center group, whatever call number you might put into that connection. So in a 4-hour class, I can teach a basic start to finish operation, providing you a call number so that you as the customer can call this afterward, play through it, hear the options. You can connect to individuals, and this can be outside of your regular production auto attendant that you might be running. So you can go back later on, make modifications, test your own things, and not mess up something that's already in production. So you'll get the tools to do this using your client. You'll get a handout, which I teach as a guide through the class. You'll get some canned WAV files, and you will also leave with this application on your server ready to go as we finish the class, and then you can build on it from there. And if you'd like information about how to get the class, you can contact me, Eddie Moore. My website is gowithe.com. That's Eddie Moore, and Go With E LLC being my company. My contact information is on there with a phone number, email address, and other information you might want to look up as far as other courses. And I am adding to this website as we speak, so there may be additional information by the time you view this YouTube video. Thanks for watching.